What a game-changing YouTube new update. I'll tell you why it's so important even for those who have already done it and how to change it. When we search a channel name on YouTube, we get many channels with the same name because people impersonate. They copy channel name, logo and videos. They make fake channels and run scams. Now, as for this new YouTube update, there's a new way to find and connect with creators on YouTube using YouTube handle and to avoid such scams. What is the YouTube handle? Unlike channel names, YouTube handles are unique to each channel, making it easier for creators to maintain their unique presence on YouTube. Every channel on YouTube will have a unique handle and others cannot copy that. Since YouTube handles are unique, like how it happens on Twitter or Instagram, viewers can find them easily in search results and making sure they're engaging with the right person. Why is YouTube handle so important? How to use YouTube handle? YouTube handle shows on channel homepage, search results, shorts feed, within comments, and community posts. You can use YouTube handle to tag creators in video titles, description, shorts, and comments. YouTube says YouTube handles will show at more places over time, which means handle will be more important than YouTube channel name. It can also be used outside of YouTube to promote your YouTube channel. How to choose YouTube handle? How to change YouTube handle name? YouTube is rolling out handles to all channels. You'll receive an email and a notification in YouTube Studio. If you haven't received the mail, I'll tell you what to do. Stay tuned. To make it easier for you to choose or change YouTube handle, if you already have a custom URL for YouTube channel, YouTube automatically reserves that as your handle. For example, I have a custom URL with OnlineHowTo as my channel name in it. So YouTube reserved OnlineHowTo. So YouTube reserved OnlineHowTo as my YouTube handle. If you don't have a YouTube custom URL or want to create YouTube handle which is different, you'll still be able to create it. Those who have already created one, I'll tell you in a bit how to change YouTube handle with FAQs. What if you're unable to choose your preferred handle? It means the name is already taken or else you're not meeting handle naming guidelines. You'll be able to select or change YouTube handle to another handle. How to use YouTube handle? When you choose your handle, YouTube creates a matching URL. You can use this URL to direct people to your content when they're not on YouTube. YouTube recommends you to update your social media profiles and external websites to use this new URL. YouTube handles eligibility. How to get YouTube handle? As per YouTube handle update, YouTube is opening access to everyone and removing the 100 subscriber eligibility criteria that applied to custom URLs. This means even when you start a new YouTube channel, you don't have to wait for 100 subscribers. Even new YouTubers and every channel on YouTube will have a handle from start. What are the guidelines for choosing a handle? Handles can be alphanumeric and up to 30 characters. It must follow YouTube's handle naming and community guidelines. What if your preferred handle is already taken? For majority of channels, if they already have YouTube custom URL, YouTube will automatically convert it to your YouTube channel handle. You can also choose a new YouTube handle name as long as it isn't already being used by someone else. If a channel doesn't have a custom URL, you can select new handles on YouTube. What if you don't select YouTube handle? As for YouTube handle update, YouTube will automatically assign you one that you can change at any point. What if the handle you want isn't available? Then you can be creative and add numbers, periods, or underscores to create a YouTube handle. What if you haven't received the mail from YouTube? Whether you want to create one or want to know how to change YouTube handle, log into YouTube and go to youtube.com/handle and click on change handle. You can change it from here. Alternatively, you can go to YouTube Studio, customization, then basic info, then go to handle. You get YouTube handle feature. Change YouTube handle to whatever you want and click on publish to save it. If this video was useful or you liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment. Subscribe for more such new YouTube updates.